It's time for some simple loaded potato soup. Start by cutting your onions and mincing those matchstick carrots. Cut your bacon into pieces, call them lardons. And then remove the meat from the inside of a cooled baked potato. Cook your bacon, save some of that fat, add 2 tablespoons of fat, 4 tablespoons of butter, and your onions and your carrots to the pot on a medium-high heat and cook them until the onions are translucent. We're going to slowly add some flour, and we're going to make a roux here. We're going to cook it for about 3 minutes, then add our chicken broth and our milk slowly, stirring continuously. We're going to cook that for about 10 to 15 minutes till it starts to get thickened. Meanwhile, we're going to mix our sour cream in with the heavy cream, stir it with a whisk, and after that 10 to 15 minutes, go ahead and add it to the pot. Add the cheese, stir that in until it's fully incorporated and melted, and the bacon. And we're going to cook that for another 5 minutes. Then we're going to add our potatoes, stir them gently in, we don't want to break them up, and then cook that for about 5 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. And then add our green onions. Stir those in. We're going to save some for the garnish and put it in a bowl. Top it with green onions, cheese, sour cream, and bacon bits that we have left over, and enjoy it. There's a link to a printable recipe in the video description. But here's your recipe anyway. I'd like to thank y'all for joining me in my kitchen today for some wonderful loaded baked potato soup. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have an awesome day.